If you are seeing the Facebook error code on play reel, this may due to a technical error. Don't worry, this problem can happen because of a weak internet connection, an outdated Facebook app, corrupted cache, or a temporary Facebook server issue. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try playing the reel again. You can also turn airplane mode or few seconds and then turn it off. Next, completely close the Facebook app and open it again. If the problem continues, restart your phone. A simple restart can fix temporary app and system problem. You should also check whether Facebook is updated. Open the Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Facebook and install any available update. Another useful solution is clearing the Facebook cache on Android settings. Long press Facebook app, then click App Info, click Storage Use, then click Clear Cache. Then open Facebook and try the reel again. If only one particular reel cannot play, the reel may have been deleted, restricted, or made temporarily unavailable. Try playing other reels to see if they work. Finally, it's nothing work, uninstall and reinstall Facebook. Wait for a while, it Facebook experience and temporary technical problem. This simple solution, hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.